So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll start right away. I'm gonna make a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 43. So 43 chains is completed. What I'm gonna do next first. So I'm gonna make a double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So I'm gonna skip 2 and make a double crochet in the next chain. I'm gonna make a double crochet in every chain till the end of the row. And I'm left with the 2 last stitches, 1 double crochet in each. And tighten. Next round, which will be repetitive until the end of this piece, I'm gonna chain 2 and turn. 1 double crochet in the first stitch. One double crochet in every stitch. Continue the same for a total of 50 rows. The last stitches from row 2. And this is the last stitch. If you get confused, turn it and you will see the loop, the V. Oops, the V over here. That's the last stitch. And we continue the same, chain 2 and turn. So here I have finished the piece. I have made 33 rows of double crochet. You can make more or less depending on the size you want. And now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna stitch everything together. So this is my last stitch, and I'm gonna pull the yarn through here. Okay, and I will slip stitch on this side. This is the length of the beanie. So I'm gonna insert the hook in the last stitch from both sides. I'm gonna hide this thread, and I'm gonna bring the yarn, and slip stitch throughout till it is totally closed. Oops. And here we're done with the side stitching, and I'm gonna close the crown or top of the beanie. So I'll take a tapestry needle and what I'm gonna do from my last stitch, I'm gonna insert the needle randomly in the spaces or the stitches, like so, till I'm back to the starting point. And here is the last point, and I will pull the thread. Okay, now I'll pull it as tight as possible, making sure it doesn't break, to close the top. Oops. Left to do is stitch the opening. So tighten it even more and stitch the rest till it's totally closed. And I will fasten off. So this is the beanie completed. This is the final look of it, and this is how it is if it's not folded. It's long, and you can fold it to make it warmer and more stylish. So the final measurement is 30 by 30 centimeters. You can make it smaller or shorter if you want. If you want a shorter beanie, you can chain less chains than what I did in the beginning. Then you make it shorter. For the width, you can make less than, I did 33 rows. You can make less than 33 rows. If you want bigger, you can make more than 33 rows, depending on who you make it for. And then the stitching is very easy from the side and on top. This is how it looks on top. completely closed. Also, don't forget to check the written pattern for more details. And that's it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. I hope it was easy to follow for beginners especially. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.